Hello everyone, myself Rupesh. Today we are going to discuss about a project which we have done, which is titled as Coma Patient Health Monitoring System. Generally, coma is a state of unconsciousness. While the patient is asleep and unable to reply, the patient fails to respond other key functions such as breathing and blood circulation. Coma can develop as a side effect of underlying illness or as a result of wounds such as head trauma. When the patient will be well is not predictable. These individuals require the best treatment and constant monitoring. In this work, patient data are continuously monitored and recorded without human intervention. If the patient is awake and blinks their eyes, or if the body temperature suddenly increases or falls, there have been any sudden changes in the patient typical range of bodily parameters. It also has the ability to automatically notify a medical professional. The tilt sensor tracks patient movement and sends a warning signal to a medical professional. A medical professional can monitor the patient condition as it is shown on the LCD. Existing systems. The on-duty medical staff must periodically check on the coma patient to see if they have awakened. This can occasionally cause emotional disturbance and is highly distressing. The patient's recovery from a coma cannot be verified remotely, such as in his office. The coma patient has no control over his body processes, including the urine system, because he is asleep. In order to manage and examine the patient, the medical assistant must be nearby. The nurses are assigned to regularly take patient reading and should alert the on-call doctor in case of any emergency. One time per day, the responsible doctor sees the patient and the nurse reports the noted readings. Our proposal. Health monitoring system consists of number of sensors that are attached to the patient and transmit the data through processing ThinkSpeak. Node MCU serves as a processor and a data junction node in this project. The doctor's PC or patient's smartphone is employed as a monitoring tool. The sensors are utilized to measure the patient's health characteristics, which are turned into readings and signals. These signals are provided to Node MCU for processing. The information is then shown on a monitor by Node MCU, who also uses IoT to store it in the cloud. The doctor can view this information on his phone or computer and receive notifications. Additionally, if any aberrant data is found, there is a facility to alert the doctor or patient care provided by message. The project workflow is as follows. The sensor readings are shown on the monitor and stored in the cloud for further use. Activity diagram. Activity diagram is basically a flow chart to represent the flow from activity to another activity. Use case diagram. Use case diagram captures the system functionalities and requirements by using actors and use cases. Use case diagram represents high-level functionalities and how a user will handle the system. Sequence diagram. Sequence diagram discusses how and what order the objects in a system functions. These diagrams are widely used by businessmen and software developers. Implementation. We can see this implementation in a video. Our team members are myself, Rupesh, Aditya Vasidi, Bussa Sai Teja, Karthik CLN. Thank you everyone. I want to thank you my project guide Dr. Ravi Kiran sir for giving his valuable time for us. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is our project implementation. This is Node MCU in which we have Wi-Fi module. This is Arduino board. This is transformer which is used to supply the power. This is LCD. This is temperature sensor. Now we will see how we get the temperature sensor reading values. Here we will get the temperature sensor reading values on the LCD. Let's see. Here we get the temperature value as 32 degrees centigrade. This is eye blink sensor. If a patient eye is blinked, then we will get an information on the LCD. Earlier we have eye is closed. If eye is blinked, then we will get eye is open. This is tilt sensor. Here earlier we have tilt is safe. If the body is moved, then we will get information as alert. Take tilt as alert. Now we will store the data in cloud. We will now with this data will be stored in ThinkSpace. You will get it. When we click the link of ThinkSpace, the message will be sent to patient's monitor through email. Thank you.